Today I'm gonna share with you how to you grow on your short every short social media like YouTube short, TikTok short, Snapchat short, every short. uh, you grow your account, you grow your content so easily. It's straightforward. Just you need Telegram, and you need to join here. Just best funny video, so something like this type of group. So here you can got a lot of creative content video. It's not uh, other people published on TikTok, other short form, so it's easy to do get. So you can just okay, I'm given that my description box. You can join in the server, and you can, it's a lot of funny thing you can got here like that. So a lot of view you got on your short. So and you have, and you got your subscriber, you got your follower, and you can monetize that, and you can earning money from them. So a lot of thing you can got so in Telegram, best funny video, something like that. So let's say copy something and pasting on. Okay, it's not, but I'm seeing a good thing which is so funny here. What might be best funny video here. Okay, let's say that. Let me. Okay, just click on top right option, three dot, and there is a bottom option, save to gallery. Click on there, it's saved on your gallery. So I need to go right now TikTok, and here is the right bottom option, profile. Click on there. So I have published those video, as you see my Telegram, our Telegram channel maybe. So click on plus button and upload here and video. Okay, it's not video. Click on there and next, and here we say something like funny dog or doggy, something like that. So click on post. It's posted. So I have created it yesterday. Right now 3 follower and on like 60 view, 54 view, 4 view. So yeah, it's easy to do for viral on TikTok for short form content. So you can do that. It's easy, straightforward.